Misty sun and the breeze so light. Flip-flops on and I'm out the door, walking down to my favorite store. Colors shining behind the glass, vanilla dreams that never pass. It's too hot to rush, let's take it slow. A little scoop and the world feels whole. Chilling with ice cream under the blue sky, melting like sunshine, sweet as a lullaby. Chocolate swirl, strawberry beams, living this moment just like a dream.
Ay, ulton ko lang siya ng...
So, hi guys, good morning. So, we're already here inside the train. So, we're heading to Paris. And
pero andito na kami by around 5 o'clock, 5 in the morning.
yeah, so nagkape muna kami and ang daming tao right now. So, medyo puno yung train. So, see you later guys. Bye!
Abiento, Paris.
Abiento, Paris!
So we head straight to our hotel, B&B, and honestly, I'm impressed. The lobby is super cozy, and guess what? There's even a mini arcade, so you can play before you even unpack, guys. And just a few steps in, boom, there's a restaurant and bar, perfect for food and drinks and chill vibes. And entering a room, tada! Big, comfy double bed waiting for us. It's cheap, it's cozy, and totally worth it.
So, hi guys! We're already here in Paris! And we're heading to Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
So, finally, after 30 years of existence in this world, makikita na natin si Eiffel Tower. Yes!
One of our dreams.
Wow!
Nakakita na namin to sa YouTube, pero ngayon makikita namin siya ng actual, di ba?
Yes.
Yun yung
And we have here Manang and
nakaka-amaze.
Au beau Paris, où l'amour s'écrit, sous les ponts les cœurs se réunissent. Et la lumière éclaire nos vies, dans tes bras on oublie nos soucis. Au beau Paris, la 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 lou, la 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 lou, la 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 lou. Au beau Paris, la 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 lou, la 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 lou. Au beau Paris, où l'amour s'écrit sous les ponts.
Hello guys!
Hello guys!
Maghahanap kami ngayon ng dito na makadto?
Sa best spot kundi namin magpa-picture.
Yes,
sa
pupunta kami
Eiffel
doon.
Tower, yeah.
Kung saan may pinakamagandang spot daw sabi sa Reels sa TikTok.
We just check it on Reels.
Mhm.
Yeah, and we are so very happy.
Yeah.
Kasi it's our first time to see the Eiffel Tower.
Mhm.
And grabe, napakaganda niya.
Mhm.
Para siyang feeling
Worth it.
ko, para talaga siyang laruan na giant.
Worth
Pero
it.
pag nakita niyo siya in person, grabe, it's all worth it.
Mm.
Masasabi mo talagang, pag nakita mo na si Eiffel Tower, you're really in Paris.
Sumakses ka na naman ulit.
Sumakses ka na naman.
Mm.
Yes. So we're just looking for a best spot para mag-take ng pictures. Siyempre, kailangan natin mag-take ng pictures.
Para may i-upload tayo,
yes,
di ba?
para meron tayong may upload, of course.
Memories yan, memories.
Yeah.
So after ng Eiffel Tower natin, saan nga tayo pupunta after?
After nun, pupunta tayo sa Arc de Triomphe.
Mhm.
Tapos sa Basilica de Sacri. I don't know how to pronounce it. Pero yun yung next na pupuntahan namin.
Mhm.
And then guys,
Ay.
napakainit dito ngayon.
Yung dalawa na yun, that the end of the day na. Then next...
Tomorrow we'll go to Disneyland.
Yes po.
Yes, and we're so very excited.
Yeah, makakita ko na dun si ano,
Yeah, but we are so...
si Mickey.
We're so grateful kay experience naman so nasa muna ginahandog lang.
Yes.
It's just a
Nothing is impossible.
with God.
Mhm.
Amen.
Amen, amen.
So tatawid na po kami. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Ayaw ka pa yan. Ano, wait lang.
Hi guys, we're here now in Arc de Triomphe and it's so amazing. Look,
Dubai. Dubai lang kaya.
gosh, ang ganda.
Wala lang dapat sure na paklakat na lang. Disney princess ka lang.
Ha? Ilang steps na kami guys, nakakapagod na talaga. Kakapoy, uy! We're about to go to Basilica de Sacri, one of the famous, I think, cathedral here in Paris as well. Tapos may overlooking ng city of Paris and you can able to see the Eiffel Tower from up there, guys. So, yeah. Let's go! Kaya natin to. Kaya nyo pa? No!
Hindi ka perform na sa itong termina.
Oo.
Sa tumbang sa simbahan.
Bitch, wala ito siya lang.
Pero namin na.
So, merong mga love lock dito, guys. So, if you're a couple, you should go here and put your love lock here sa Basilica de Sacri. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pag-pronounce ko, guys, pero yun. Yes.
meine Mom.
Pwede ka sunod?
Oh, happy daw to. Pupunta ko daw.
Oh, wow. Wow. I think kailangan maging early.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna play 2 more songs for today. You know, to subscribe to my Instagram, it's just here. Thanks for the time together. It's 2 clicks.
Here now in Notre Dame, here in Paris, and it's one of the famous church or cathedral here. Wow.
Sabay di.
Sabay di.
Sabay. Kaunta. Sabay di.
Kaunta. Kaunta, guys. Finally. Rice. Shit. Gutom na mo. Hindi ko siya makuhaan. Okay, good. Hmm?
Bully na naman ilaw. Pilipinas. Gachismis pa ko yan.
Wow.
Kutsara ini tayo Doraemon.
Yeah.
Hindi na kinaya kumain ng rice.
Oo, kutsara mo niya. Dahil lain na sila ko. Depende na sa panahon. Depende sa panahon na, hindi wala amon na yan. Wala mo, ikaw dapat adjust. Hindi kay kami ma-adjust yun. Ikaw adjust.
Rice. Finally.
So we're here, Musée du Louvre. Oh, sorry. Tapos, ayun na si Eiffel Tower! We're just waiting na lang. Sasakay kami ng boat para mag-tour sa buong Paris. Yes.
Buong Paris?
Buong Paris, no? Ay, hindi ba? Hindi. Sorry. Sa river ng Paris.
River cruise
yeah,
na lang
sa
ba?
river.
River cruise.
River cruise.
Sa river cruise. Sa river cruise.
So, aantayan namin yung reason ba't kami nag-book nito para makita yung Eiffel Tower na with lights.
Ayun po siya, oh. Yan. Parang start na siyang umilaw, guys. Yan. Ayun na, ayun. Around 10 o'clock, guys. Iilaw na talaga yan. Na parang...
So, timing din sa pagpasok namin sa may boat. Yung kanilang parang Uber boat.
That's gonna be our boat later, guys.
Hello, Port.
Yo!
Sightseeing with the Eiffel Tower. Visit. Kahit di sponsor. Sana po next time sponsored na siya.
I really appreciate it.
Mas gagandahan
You
po
gave
namin.
us the view, the experience, the scenery,
Yeah.
and the enjoyment, the fulfilling,
And the croissant.
fulfilling chocolate and cream. Thank you so much. Adios. Ay,
Adios. Nagulakot-lakot ng lingwahe.